Today, I will show you a relatively small district of Abuja, Nigeria, known as Gudu district, sometimes also called Gudu. I am starting this tour at the bridge where Ahmadu Bello Way ends, referred to as Apo Bridge. At this residential neighborhood to my left is the National Assembly quarters, the official quarters for the Nigerian federal lawmakers. This is the Zone A section of it, and the entire quarters continue up to Zone E, which I will try to show you as we move deeper into the neighborhood. Two major roads that intersect each other and connect the entire district of Gudu together are Abdulsalami Abubakar Road and Oladipo Street. So in this tour, we will cover the residential and commercial neighborhoods found between these two major roads. And this National Assembly quarters is located right at the beginning of Abdulsalami Abubakar Road. Gudu district may be smaller in size compared to other districts in the city of Abuja. However, its location in the city places very important roles on this district. At least three notable courts are situated here: the FCT High Court, Sharia Court, and the ECOWAS Community Court of Justice. They are all located in Gudu district. The largest cemetery in the city is also found in this district. One of the largest motor and electrical spare parts markets in the city of Abuja is located here as well. You will get to see these features of Gudu district and many more in the course of this tour if you would stick around till the end of this tour. Gudu district is surrounded by 5 other districts. If we continue straight on this Abdulsalami Abubakar Road, we will cross over to either Apoduse district towards the left or Gedoa district towards the right. If we take the right turn at this AP gas station junction into Marere Street, we will cross over into Durumi district. If we turn right back the way we came and cross over Apo Bridge, we would be right inside Gariki district, and exiting this road to the right just before the bridge will take us into Guzape district. However, let's take the left turn into Marere Street instead and explore the residential neighborhood found here, which includes the remaining zones of the National Assembly quarters and other beautiful estates found here. So this is where the Zone B to Zone E of the National Assembly quarters are located, along Marere Street, and Gudu Cemetery is just behind the hill. These ridges you're looking at right now are the graves of thousands of the Muslim faithful who are no more here with us. And on the other side of the fence are the grave markers of thousands more of the deceased Christian faithful, a grim reminder that even at death, we will still remain neighbors. But just opposite the cemetery is the most beautiful neighborhood in Gudu district, where you would wish you have a home in the city. It is not an estate, it is a high-density neighborhood with many terrace buildings where everyone is free to come up with the architectural designs that they fancy. If you prefer to live in an apartment building, this is the part of Gudu you should visit. You just might find some for rent or for sales. If this is your first time seeing one of my neighborhood videos and would like to see more on this channel, why not look under this video to see where it says subscribe. Touch it once and then touch the bell icon so you will always be notified when I share more neighborhood videos. It is free of charge. If you have been watching videos on this channel but keep forgetting to subscribe, why not hit the subscribe button right away before you continue watching. It may interest you to know that there are also several housing estates in Gudu district for those who prefer living in such residential communities. This is FAB Classic Estate located along Oladipo Street, one of the housing estates found here. I will show you more housing estates in this district before this tour ends. Now that the tour of the residential part of Gudu district has brought us to Oladipo Street, the second major road of the district, let us now take a tour of the commercial part of Gudu district. Here we find schools such as FUNTAJ International School, a leading private school that offers early years primary and secondary education. This is where the Sharia court is located. And just a few blocks away is ECOWAS Community Court of Justice, the very first building with flags that you're looking at. As a matter of fact, the entire length of Oladipo Street and beyond are lined with tall office buildings and business plazas, hotels, event halls, shopping malls, markets and manufacturing establishments. And this is the popular Gudu market. It is located at Uchenwosu Street, just by Oladipo Street here. This market was commissioned on March 31st, 2005 and contains 641 lock-up shops and 44 kiosks. The market is one-stop shop for all brands of home and industrial electrical materials, motor spare parts and other building materials. Due to increasing demand for more business spaces, shopping plazas and warehouses are constantly being erected in this ever-developing business hub. But just across Gudu Junction on David Ejo Crescent are located a number of residential housing estates as well, such as Adisa Estate, Savannah Estate and a few others. If living in semi or fully detached duplexes inside fenced and gated housing estate is what you prefer, this part of Gudu district might just be what you are looking for. The housing estates here are really beautifully planned out, the road well paved and the streets lined up with trees. You may have observed in the course of this tour that Gudu district in general has a good share of tree planting, even its commercial hub is not left out. It is also on this crescent that we find Ibeto Hotel. And just across Abdusalami Abubakar Road is the public secondary school and yet another commercial neighborhood. I hope you have enjoyed your tour of Gudu district. If there is a neighborhood in Abuja you would like to see on this channel, feel free to let me know in the comment section and I will take a tour of it in time for your viewing pleasure. Remember to show your appreciation by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. See you in the next tour.